how to use the digital radio and how to program the digital radio to give you the information that is being broadcast by the radio station that you're listening to. What digital radio information are we talking about? We're talking about this information here. So there's the radio station, and underneath the radio station is what it's broadcasting today for you to display. So this, you're able to switch this on and off, and how you do that is in settings, radio text off, and then when you go back to audio, there it's gone. And to get it back, same steps backwards. So settings, radio text on, back to audio. Simple as that. Hope that helped.